Good morning, students. Welcome to the economics class. As you know that we are doing our chapter 10, measure of central tendency, median and mode. We are here doing the graphic presentation of median. We know very well that we can use a less than ogive approach and more than ogive approach for presenting the median graphically. Today we are going to use both of these approaches together and will learn that how we can locate median with the help of both these curve, less than and more than ogive curve. So let's have a look over here. I have given the same example as we have used yesterday for making clear both the two approaches separately. Now I have taken the same example and we will determine the median with the help of both less than and more than ogive curves together. See here, the same example I have taken here, in which we will gonna apply the two approaches less than and more than ogive curves together, and then we will determine the value of median. The same example I have taken marks 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, and in this way by taking an interval of 5, 5 I have taken it to 35 to 40. Number of students given 4, 6, 10, 10, 25, 22, 18, 5. The total number of students become 100 as we have done this example earlier in these two approaches separately. Clear? Now what we're gonna do here, firstly we will have the less than series and the more than series with their cumulative frequencies. Clear? Now the less than series will be, first of all, the first class interval is less than 5, so the first class of less than series will be less than 5, then less than 10. All the upper limits I am taking here over to make the less than series, less than 15, similarly less than 20, less than 25, less than 30, less than 35, less than 40. Clear? So that is the last limit we are having, less than 40. So these are the less than series. Now we will find out the cumulative frequency. 0 to 5 means less than 5 there are 4 students, and less than 10 contains this as well as this, means 4 plus 6 students, so it becomes 10. Then we are having less than 15 and it is equal to 10 plus 10 becomes 20 because it includes 4 plus 6 plus 10. Then less than 20 we are having 4 plus 6 plus 10 plus 10, that is 20 plus 10, it becomes 30. Similarly, adding up these, less than 25 we will have 55 students. Similarly, in less than 30 we are having 77, this is the addition of all these till 22. Then less than 35 we are having 95 students, and less than 40 all the students secured marks less than 40 here. Clear? So all the 100 students secured marks less than 40. This is the less than series we have taken. Now coming to the more than series. Now the first is more than 0. So the first class interval for more than series will be more than 0. So more than 0, all the 100 students have secured marks more than 0. So the first cumulative frequency will be 100. Then we are having marks more than 5. Now these are the marks which are more than 5, but these all students secured marks more than 5. So all of them will be included here, but not these 4. So how we'll find out the second cumulative frequency? 100 minus 4, it becomes 96. Clear? Then next we are having more than 10, and now more than 10 includes excludes the first two frequencies but includes all the other frequencies. It means it does not include 4 plus 6, means 10 are not included in this. So 100 minus 10, it would become 90, or you can also say 96 minus 6, it would become 90. In this way you can calculate the more than cumulative frequency. So I am making the more than series over here: more than 10, more than 15, more than 20, more than 25, more than 30, more than 35, more than 40. Now more than 40 is no one is here, so more than 40 we are having a 0 frequency, and in between them we kept on deducting. So 90 minus 10, it would become 80. 80 minus 10, it would become 70. 70 minus 25, it would become 45, then 23, and then last is 5. In this way we are having our less than and more than distributions. Now we will do graphic approach by which we will find the median. Firstly, we will prepare the less than ogive curve. Then in the same graph, we will prepare the more than ogive curve. Where the two curve will intersect, that intersection point will decide the value of median. Let's see its graph also. Now see here, we have a graph with OX axis depicting marks and with OY axis depicting number of students. Now this is the less than ogive curve that I have made with the help of less than cumulative frequency distribution. Here we have made the less than frequency distribution. Less than 5 it's 4, less than 10 it's 10, less than 15 is 20. So these are the points that I have marked corresponding to each these are the points of frequencies that I have marked corresponding to each marks. Okay, so here for 5 we have 4, less than 10 we have 10, less than 15 we have 20 students, less than 20 we have 30 students. So in this way I have marked all the cumulative frequencies. Now we will join these points to have our less than ogive curve. Now this is the less than ogive curve. Clear? Now in the same way we will depict the more than ogive curve here only. Now see here, I have also made the more than ogive curve here. As we have done the more than distribution over more than 0, 100 students are there, more than 5, 96 students are there, and more than 10, 90 students are there. So more than 0 we are having 100, then more than 5 we are having 96, more than 10 we are having 90 students, more than 15 we are having 80 students. So in this way we will plot all the cumulative frequencies on the graph and we will join them. Now this curve will be known as more than ogive curve. We have plotted both less than and more than ogive curve on the same graph. Where the both curve will intersect, we will mark that point E. Suppose here they are intersecting at this point, so this is the point E. Now from this point we will draw a perpendicular on the x-axis. Where this perpendicular touches the x-axis, that point will be our median. Now you can see here this point is touching the x-axis just before 25. So this is the point 24 and our median will be 24 here. Okay, so in this way we can use both more than and less than ogive approach together to find out the median graphically.